Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert or add an image to your conversations and chats on Gemini AI, for example, to let Gemini analyze or describe your image. So let us guide you through it. So head over to your conversation on Gemini AI or start a new one by clicking into this button in the top left. And what you want to do, guys, is click into that plus button here in the bottom left, add files, and select the source. Like, for example, you may upload the image from your device by clicking into upload files here, add it from Google Drive or from Google Photos, which is what I'm going to do. And let me pick one from that library. So select it, click into insert here, and wait for it to be added. Now, you can add, for example, a prompt and ask the artificial intelligence to describe the image. But if you simply press enter and send the image, Gemini AI will start analyzing the image and describe it even without your specific prompt. So you will see the analyzing process here. And yeah, simply wait for the answer to be provided, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.